Bowlers in cricket often have a natural range of bowling speeds based on their individual styles, fitness levels, and bowling techniques. For example, a fast bowler might consistently bowl deliveries in the range of 135 to 145 kilometers per hour, while a medium fast bowler might bowl in the range of 120 to 130. These variations are considered common cause variations because they are based to the bowler's abilities and the conditions of the pitch. Now let's say a fast bowler who normally bowls at speeds around 140 suddenly clocks a delivery at 150 kilometers per hour. This significant increase in bowling speed is unexpected. Upon investigation, it's discovered that the bowler was using a new technique resulting in improved speed. This sudden change in bowling speed represents a special cause variation. So we can say that there are two types of variations: common cause variation and special cause variation. Now let's talk about them one by one. First, we will talk about common cause variation. Common cause variation represents the natural variability present in any process. We can easily detect them using statistical measures such as standard deviation. Examples include variations due to machine tolerance, raw material quality, or environmental factors. Now let's talk about special cause variation. They arise from specific factors that are not part of the normal process. Special causes are unpredictable. They occur infrequently and are often responsible for unexpected spikes or outliers in the process performance. Special cause variations can result from factors such as equipment malfunctions, operator error, or sudden changes in the raw material quality. So that's all for this video where we have discussed the common cause variation and special cause variation.